Hello there, my friends. Time for another video. We are going to be doing another animal form today. Today, our long kata is going to be called Big Bird Spreads Its Wings. So if we think about the way a bird moves, right, a bird has wings. So they're going to go out to the side a lot. And when we have our wing hands, look at my hands, friends, okay, they're going to be, fingers are together, but look, it's a strong hand. So I might use the blade of my hand, okay? Sometimes I will chop like a bird that way, okay? Sometimes we'll hit this way, but most of the time we're using the blade. There's a time we'll do some punches, but we'll also do striking with the blade of our hand that way, and we're gonna practice that one today, okay, before we do the long kata. So let's stand up, feet together, and bow. And let's start our warm-up. So we're gonna start with high knees today. High knees. Get them up real high. Can you touch them with your hands? Put your knees up, 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 up. And keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now, can you kick the butt? Kick it. Kick it behind you. Kick it. Keep those heels up. Heels up. Heels up. Heels up. Good. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Now side shuffle. Back and forth, as much room as you have. Keep going. Okay, good. Let's practice some of our punching and some of our blade striking, okay? So you're gonna start with your right foot forward, okay? Front stance. This is important in our long katas. Front stance, okay? And let's put our right hand forward first, and we're gonna do 3 fast punches in a row, okay? So we'll do it slow the first couple times. We go 1, 2, 3. And you see, every time I punch, the other hand comes to my side. So when my right hand punches, my left hand comes here, okay? And I just keep switching that way. Okay, so we're gonna do 10 sets of 3. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and that is 1. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. This time, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna strike with the blade of your hand. So watch my hand, friends. When I push it forward, my fingers are facing up, and I'm hitting with the blade of my hand, okay? So same thing, we'll start with our right hand forward. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. Good job. Okay, that's a nice little warm up. So now we're gonna go into our long kata. Big bird spreads its wings. Okay, when we do this one, friends, we're gonna make a big square. So first we'll go forward, then we're gonna turn, go this way, then we're gonna go backwards. I'm gonna turn a little so you can see me, okay? We'll go this way, and then we'll end up facing forward again, okay? So remember, I'll go very slowly, but if you get lost, just keep moving, okay? Try not to stop. Okay, so the first thing we do is we're going to bow, all right? We're gonna step forward with your left. And look at my hands right here. I have my bird wings, right? The palms of my hands are straight and tight. Fingers are together. And I'm going to strike forward and then left, right. Now we're gonna make a big circle with our hands, okay? I'm gonna turn my hands this way so that my fingers are tight, a little more like a fist, okay? And I'm gonna make a circle with both hands until the right is on top, okay? Now I'm gonna step and go this direction. And I'm gonna spread my bird wings. 1, 2, 3. Make a circle in front of your body and push the person away. Okay, now we're going to bring our feet together and step towards the back. Right hand is in front, left hand is in front, and you're going to 1, 2, 3. Okay, punches, good job. Now we're gonna go this direction, okay? Step with your left, big bird wings, 1, 2, 3. Circle, push the person away. We're gonna face the front. Look at, I have my blade now. 1, 2, 3. Feet together, and you bow to end the kata. Okay? Let's do that again, very slowly. Okay, here we go. We bow, step forward. Good. My hands are stacked on top of each other, straight and tight, and I strike forward. I'm going to hit the person in the neck, okay? Then right, left. Watch my circles very slowly. Left one goes down, right goes up, and then they switch. Boom. Okay? Good. Step your feet together. Turn and face the right. Get your big bird wings. Slice, slice, slice. Circle around your body like you're blocking. Someone tried to punch you, you're blocking. Push them away. Now we're going to go this direction, okay? Right fist forward. Punch, punch, punch. Feet together. Now we go here. Step forward. Big bird wings. Big bird spreads its wings, right? Circle in front and push. Now we step back forward again. Okay, I have my blade hands. 1, 2, 3. Feet together. Bow. Let's try that one more time. We'll do it one more time slowly, and then we'll do it all together fast, okay? Here we go. Let's go back a little bit. Bow. Step forward. Right hand, or left hand is on top, friends. Ready? Forward. Right. Left. Where's my circle? So slowly, left hand ends on top. Okay? Step your feet together. Now step to the right. Slice, slice, slice. Big bird spreads its wings. Push and circle in front of you. Block and push the person away. Okay, now we step this direction and punch, punch, punch. Okay, back this way. Big bird's gonna spread its wings again. Spread, spread, spread. Circle in front and push them away. And here are our blade hands. 1, 2, 3. Together and bow. All right, let's see if we can do it fast. I'm not gonna say anything, we're just gonna do it together. All right, here we go. Bow. Good job, birds. I saw you spreading those wings really hard, really far apart. Good job, birds. All right, that ends our time today. Let's put our feet together and bow. Miss you.